Hi, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. Today's recipe, here I'm going to take a pan and half a tablespoon of oil. To this oil, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. After adding these two ingredients, I'm then going to let this fry for about 1 minute. Once the cumin seeds start to splatter, here I'm going to add 3 sticks of curry leaves. And along with that, 2 medium-sized sliced onions. After adding the onions, I'm now going to fry this for a period of 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, here you can then add half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. After adding the ginger garlic paste, you can then fry it until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away, here you can then add 2 chopped green chilies. And along with this, 1 finely chopped tomato. After 1 minute, here you can add half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. You now mix all of this really well and let this cook for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, here you can add 250 grams of chopped mushroom. And along with this, 1/4 cup of water. You can now mix all of this really well and let this cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, here you can add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. You now mix this really well and let this cook for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, here you can finally add half a teaspoon of lemon juice. And then give this a final stir and your dish is ready to be served. So if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel.